Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push. Today I'd like to show you how to enumerate all of your brand subdomains in seconds using the Silent Push platform. This is a function available on both the free community and enterprise subscriptions. So why do you need to enumerate all your subdomains? So for brands of all shapes and sizes, making sure that subdomains are only associated with active and brand control services is of paramount importance when attempting to defend against threats such as subdomain takeover and all the various woes that come with that. So we're talking elevated attacker privileges, lateral movement, cookie hijacking, open redirect abuse, all nasty stuff, but all entirely avoidable with Silent Push. So it all starts with understanding what domains you operate with. Very straightforward. Simply navigate to attack surface mapping, subdomains, create new. So we're going to use google.com. So let's pop that in. One click search. Here's the results. Over 100,000 subdomains associated with google.com. The query field shows the domain and the answer field shows the IP it's pointing to. So from the explore screen, you can copy the data to the clipboard. You can export the data, or you can one-click pivot through any observable. So let's do a reverse A record lookup on this IP, 142.250.115.27. One click, reverse A record, look at passive DNS. And there you go. Silent Push Enterprise users, if we go back to the results, are also able to monitor any changes to the results or save to a feed, collection or a feed. Okay, that's it for now. Don't forget to visit our knowledge base at help.silentpush.com or email info@silentpush.com with any queries. Thanks for watching. Take care.